I want to congratulate him on finishing his 30-day juice fast. Yeah, I can't believe he went 30 days without eating any food, just drinking juice. Wow, that is amazing. He has a lot of willpower to do that diet, especially not eating any cookies and cakes and candy.
Congratulations on 30 days completed juicing. Yay, you did it.
Charles, I wish I had your willpower. You did it. Good luck. I'm so proud of you.
Go, Charles. You did it. You did it. Yeah!
Go, Charles!
Go, Charles, you did it.
Go, Charles. You did it. Woo!
Good luck, Charles. Nice and skinny.
Go, Charles!
Oh, Charles.
Go, Charles.
Go, Charles. Go, Charles. Congratulations, Charles. You did it, Charles. Go, Charles.
Hey, man! Go, Charles! Congratulations, you did it!
Go, Charles. Go! Congratulations, Charles. My spidey sense tells me you did it. Congratulations.
And I couldn't have done it without all your support. I want to thank everybody for your comments, your criticism, your emails, everything that you guys did. I couldn't have done it without you guys. So thank you so much. And it's not too late to leave your comments on my blog, 80pounds.com, 80pounds.com.